you tag your friend so that people add them. Like,
it doesn't matter if I've fornicated with the woman, you know? If she tags her friend, I'm obligated to add her.
Hey!
I was like, dude, what the fuck are you doing, bro?
Oh, what? That was my sister, by the way. What did you say, hi? What was it?
What is going on, YouTube?
Twitch.
You're definitely obligated to add the friend.
Can you post this on Twitch?
Maybe. I don't know, actually.
Dude, I want to know what happened with Dr. Disrespect.
Here's my thing. I was trying to
What's
make a
your
U-turn
theory?
here, and now I'm full left turn. So,
I
know. No, I know. They're going to say, he's not a good guy. He was kind of a douche. But really, they want
one
him.
charger.
You can use it.
Because we up in this hole.
We up in this hole.
We say we up in this hole because it's San Jose.
We up in this hole.
Yeah. No disrespect.
No disrespect at all, but we just up in this hole.
In this hole.
All right, y'all. Here's a hack. If you forgot your mask, you're going to take a tank top. And you're going to take where the shoulders go. You're going to just scoop it up there. And scoop it up here on this here. And you're good. You got yourself a hands-free mask. All right, so let's go. Wait, should I tie it maybe or something?
Can you tie it?
Yeah, why not?
I don't think you can.
Bro, you can do anything you set your fucking mind to, dude. All right, let's go. That shit looks scary, huh?
You're like a fucking Star Wars character.
All right, y'all. So, yeah, like, this is a very good substitute. You know what I'm saying? This dude forgot soap. And,
I didn't forget it.
It's kind of sus. Like, what have you been doing without the soap and shit? It's all good, though.
No, we should go to the store. That's you. You call your grandma, hey, Grams.
Which you don't call your grandma on her birthday? That's kind of messed up, dude.
I don't know that. Oh.
Damn.
I do talk to her.
Oh, yeah, this soap.
Yeah, this is a good soap.
Bro, you shower with this?
No, I don't shower with this. I wash my clothes with this. That's why it smells so good. I got Downy on it. Alright.
It's time for a haircut, too. Yeah, nah, FYI though, dude. It's time for a haircut for you. Me too. Hey, me too. Scary, bro.
Hand sanitizer too?
Hand sanitizer? Yeah, I'm always down.
I think this way.
Bro, know your way around the Target, dude. I grabbed the wrong key. Hey, but anyways, if y'all trying to get a beard, use some beard oil. I grabbed the wrong key. There's 2 sets of keys. I grabbed the wrong one. I locked it. We're locked out. Let's go get something to eat.
Oh, I know what that key is. You have the key.
I don't.
45 minutes, so you only got 1 order done?
No, I got 2.
So what time are you gonna be done?
It's my third one.
What time are you gonna be done?
I don't know. Why? Dude, what song is that?
Huh?
What song are you playing right now?
I think he thinks
There's
that
no
his
music.
own radio
There's no music,
is
bro.
playing right now.
It's on my phone.
Like, check your stuff before you ask us.
Seriously, bro. Get that shit handled.
Anyways, me and Aiden about to get some Panda Express. Your favorite, alright?
Yeah, my favorite, right?
Panda Express,
Yeah.
gourmet Chinese food, the best Chinese food in the world.
Alright, buddy?
Alright.
So you can still enjoy. Where are you going? There's shade. You can still enjoy this shit. Just 6 feet apart, of course.
2 feet apart.
Alright, let me put y'all on. If you could finish your entire meal without taking a sip out of your drink, you can eat the whole meal again. Because it'll wash it down.
You see the distance thing?
Why? Hey, why? Wait, hold on. I don't even like this. Why do you look taller than me when you're not?
Dude, I am.
Dude, this shit looks like you're taller than me,
No,
bro.
I am taller than you.
No, the fuck you not.
Dude, I
You
am.
got those damn fucking Air Force Ones on.
No. You want to hold it?
Bro, that shit looks weird.
How does it look weird?
Alright.
So, what would you do if you found this badass chick, right? And you like her, and you start dating her, and all of a sudden you come to get Jack in the Box, and you pull up to the window, and it's her. Like, she's been working at Jack in the Box. Are you gonna like stay with her? What are you gonna do?
It's not gonna faze me.
It's not gonna faze you.
No. Why? Because I'm unemployed. Right?
Yeah.
Nah, that shit wouldn't faze me at all. Why? You would not date her?
I don't.
Okay, it would be different. If she was like flaunting on the gram and shit, or like, I don't know, just making her life look crazy, luxurious, and extravagant.
Yeah.
Then I'd be like, all right, I gotta drop her.
Dang.
But it's time to like. It's fucking hot, first of all, and I don't know. Just like want to like work with cookies all bad.
Bro, you're not gonna read your fortune?
What do you mean?
Bro, you just threw that fortune away.
This is the thing that like keeps the bugs out or whatever.
You're a stupid dumbass.
No, bro. What's it say?
Relish, ketchup, mustard. I'm playing. It says relish in the present moment. Bro, I don't even know what relish means. I thought it was a fucking condiment. I told you that's just fake and it's for the salt or bugs. Anyways, YouTube,
We're back with another.
we're leaving. We're going home. Whoa, look at this dude. Look at this dude. Anyways, if you like the content, like, comment, subscribe. We just be fucking around. We're about to go play in a Call of Duty tournament.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
What do you think we're gonna do? You think we're gonna win that shit?
Oh, we're gonna win for sure. I don't see us not winning and being on top of the podium.